So close to back to school, I need to get our refrigerator cleaned, restocked. So we are going to do that really quickly today. Oh my God, you guys, if you're ready for your kids to get back to school, just put ready in the comments. Like, I'm so ready. I wasn't at first, but I'm ready. It's time. Our belly's up first. I need to eat, you guys. I'm starving. Excuse me, dude. You already had a lot on.
Well, I want one more.
I hate to throw food away, but some of this stuff has got to go. Like, really? Ew. Excuse me. We have 2 of these. I definitely need to restock up. These are a must. I didn't realize I had more eggs, and most of them are cracked. Does anybody else heart drop when their eggs crack? These things are too expensive. Did you tell Malcolm to help Lola with a swimming suit? Get it? Go ahead. What do you want?
Yeah.
Cereal? Uh-oh. All right, so here's the freezer. It's a mess.